Okay, calling case P 839002, the people, DeAndre Eric Jones Anderson, one count of driving while license not valid or improper license. Appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Wordling, P64889, on behalf of Mr. Jones Anderson.
Can you state your full name for the record?
DeAndre Jones Anderson.
Good morning.
And Your
Good
Honor, it's
morning,
my
how are you?
understanding that my client wishes to waive his rights. He wants to avail himself of the offer.
Is that correct, Mr. Jones Anderson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Wordling, about your case today?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to January 2nd, 2017, around 12:16 p.m. in the area of Davidson and Goddard in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2013 black Toyota vehicle?
Yes, I was.
Were you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes, ma'am.
And at that time, did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied?
I am, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Jones Anderson, I'm going to waive your fines and costs, so that'll save you about $290 today.
Okay.
Did you post the bond?
Yes, I did.
How much?
I believe it was $100.
Okay, I'm going to apply your bond to your reinstatement fee, so that goes to the Secretary of State and that clears you so that you can get your license. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you're all set. Have a good weekend.
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you, Judge.
You are welcome. Okay, Mr. Jester.
Yes, hello.
Okay, we got you. We can hear you too. So I'm going to put you into a breakout room to speak to Mr. Wordling about your cases, okay?
Hello?
Yes. Can you hear me? Hang up and call right back in. There we go. And Ms. Jones?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
I just figured it out. Good morning.
What is your
I was at the courthouse because I never got the letter notice.
Oh, well, at least, you know, it was all good. You did it in time.
Okay.
What's your first name?
Sonia, Sonia.
Mr. Jester, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can, very well.
Okay, good. I'm going to put you into a breakout room so you can speak to your attorney, Mr. Wordling, okay?
Okay, sure thing.
Shh.
And Attorney Wordling has offers for one count of improper plate with the 3 counts to be dismissed.
Thank you, Judge.
So, Ms. Jones, once Mr. Wordling gets done with Mr. Jasarevic, and we'll go through his case, then you'll be next, okay?
Okay, can I ask or make a statement?
As long as it's not about...
My mom, Beverly Jones, she's here too, but we just...
As long as you're not talking about what happened on on your case, then yes.
Oh, yes, she's here too. We just have the one computer. Yeah.
Okay. That's fine.
Okay.
I'll put you all both on the ID so I won't forget.
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome. able to hear him okay, or did he disconnect?
Oh, okay, yeah, I lost Mr. Jasarovich, Your Honor, but I think now he's back.
I am. Hello, I
Okay.
apologize.
You wanna go back in the room?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
Okay.
Corporal Johnson,
Yes,
your
yes,
person
Donna.
did not, Miss Kadisha Johnson did not check in.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one. Thank you. Okay, I see. No, it's still connecting the audio on. Maybe if he wasn't driving. Right. Sir, you got to pull over to call into court. You can't drive and operate a vehicle and be on the phone at the same time. Did we lose him again?
Yeah, he's coming in and out, Judge.
Excuse me.
I know he's frustrated. We're trying to get him out of here.
Hello? Sorry.
There we go.
Mr. Jesserovic, did you understand what your offer is today?
The microphone was cutting out a lot. To be quite honest, not exactly.
Okay. So let's try it again, okay? I want you to be able to talk to Mr. Werber, okay?
Okay, sure thing.
Thanks, Judge.
If we can't get it this last time, I'm just gonna have you call into the court, okay?
Certainly.
Is that a Kool-Aid somewhere? On the picture, did you see it, is that a Kool-Aid?
I didn't notice.
I couldn't figure out what it was.
Judge Sabree Court, may I help you?
Martha, you wanna buy this now?
Good morning.
$5.
Sure, do you have a pen handy for the Zoom ID number, ma'am?
Actually, it is more comfortable than what I've got.
Mhm.
Yeah, you probably want to construction guy. Yeah, it hurts. Do you want this one? I have it. Sure. Are you sure? Yeah. It's good, yeah, just.
Don't ask me twice. Maximum, going to the ground. Zoom up.
You want to see how it actually turns something wrong. Right. While I was playing around.
Yes, it's 360.
Yes, I have this one. I got these two.
332.
Okay.
00.
Supposedly, this is the, you know, that one they were talking about, the in one pay, not paying the 99, but
You're
I don't
welcome.
know if it is. He told me it was, but
Thank you. You're welcome.
it looked like that. How about now, Attorney Beverly?
We're good, Judge. Off the record, I did talk to him. He does have the documentation. It was his mom's car. I guess he handed the officer the wrong documents at the time, but it was good then and it's good now.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's for insurance and registration?
Yes, Judge. I saw that there's 2 civil infractions that are up today. Were those part of the resolution or is that?
They would be to be dismissed.
Oh, okay, because,
Did you see his documentation? Were you able to verify?
yes, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Desiree, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so I'm gonna dismiss all of your counts, okay?
Okay, sure thing. Thank you.
I'm gonna do it before your audio goes out, okay? Calling case is P104807, Keenan Desrevic, disregarding a red flasher, expired plate P104884, no insurance and unregistered and untitled vehicle. Appearance?
And good morning, Your Honor. Ben Rubing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Can you state your full name for the record, sir?
Oh, me?
Yes.
Oh, Kenan Jusarevic.
Okay, and as I just stated, I'm going to dismiss your count because you have valid documentation, okay?
Sure thing. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You have any questions, Mr. Desiree?
Nope.
Okay, so you're all set. You can log off now. Have a good day.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you,
you.
Ron.
You too.
You're welcome. Okay, and we have Sonia Jones and Beverly Jones. They're on the same device.
Okay,
Let's see here.
okay. Bless you, Judge.
So Ms. Jones, I'm sorry, I have to say Beverly Jones,
Yes.
her offer is to plead as charged with a 3-month delayed sentence.
Okay,
And Sonia Jones is for failure to display.
okay. Got you, Your Honor.
So, Ms. Sonia Jones and Ms. Beverly Jones,
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna put you onto a breakout room, and Attorney Worthing is gonna speak to you, and he's gonna let you know how he's gonna talk to you either individually or together, or how that's gonna work, okay? So,
Okay,
open up the breakout room, and you just go ahead and accept the invitation, okay?
okay.
Officer Baker, your person didn't show up, so you can, go about your day.
Okay, Your Honor, have a good weekend.
You too, thank you.
All right.
Bye. I realized, I'm like, why did I do that? Somebody disorganizing over here. Serena, that was you, Martha? No, Serena. Oh.
Oh. I told Martha my mom kicked in for a minute. I just
Sure
started
did.
picking up stuff.
What'd she do? She said her mom kicked in and she started
Yeah, I
organizing.
did. My mom said she kicked in. I laughed at Martha like, what am I doing? I'm supposed to be up here working.
Hey, I like it.
Shut,
Yeah.
shut.
Have one of these nature rally ones.
Just Sabree's courtroom, may I help you? That's Sabree's courtroom. Hold on just a second.
Yes.
Hold on just a second.
She just. She missed it.
Ma'am, if you missed yesterday, you report it over 14. Yes, ma'am. Honestly, I'm sorry? Yes, through Zoom, so further notice, ma'am. You're welcome. I'm going this Friday. Thank you.
There we go. Okay, who do you want to do first? Attorney Workman?
Judge, we could do Beverly if that was okay.
Okay. Calling case 15547-836, the people versus Beverly Jones. One count of allowing an unlicensed person to drive. Appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Worming on behalf of Miss Beverly Jones, who appears today via Zoom.
Ms. Jones, can you state your full name, please? Ms. Beverly Jones?
Beverly A. Jones.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And Your Honor, it's my understanding that she wishes to continue her not guilty plea at this time, Your Honor.
Ms. Jones, do you understand the offer that was given today? Ms. Beverly Jones, do you understand what the offer was?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so I will continue your not guilty plea and set a pretrial date for September 17th, okay?
Okay.
Did I say September 17th?
I
Yes.
think you guys, yes.
Okay. I forgot that quick. It'll be at 8:30, okay?
Okay.
And for you, Miss Sonia Jones, we want to call your matter now. Calling case 15547-835. This is the people versus Sonia Jones, one count of driving while license suspended. Appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Worming on behalf of Sonia Jones, who appears for a pretrial today by Zoom.
Can you state your full name for the record, please?
Sonia Nicole Jones.
And Your Honor, Ms. Jones is continuing her not guilty plea for purposes of today's pretrial.
And I can actually set the because this is the arraignment on the bench form.
Oh, sorry, Judge.
Oh, that's fine. I will set your pretrial on the same day with, Ms. Beverly Jones, okay?
Thank you, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Can we confirm the address of the court? I mean, we need to come in or, because we're not receiving the notices.
Okay, so now we're still not letting people into the court. And I need you to document the date and time that I just told you because
Okay.
that's the.
Okay,
So you just zoom in just as you did before, and, we'll have you your pretrial on it, okay?
okay, thank you.
Welcome. You have questions?
No, ma'am.
Go have a good day.
All right,
You
you
too.
too.
Thank
Thank
you, Judge.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you,
Thank you.
ladies.
Thank you.
You're
Have a
welcome. You too.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. This is Corporal Whitehead. I just checked in.
Okay, good morning. Let's see here.
You have William Johnson. Has he checked in?
Nope,
Okay.
and it's after 9:05, so you're good in this courtroom.
Oh, okay. So you'll probably get. It's probably this is pretrial.
This was a formal hearing and pretrial, so I'll reschedule. He gets one rescheduled.
Oh, okay. No problem. Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye. Ms. Jackson, good morning.
Good morning,
And what is your first name?
Dorothy Jackson.
I didn't hear you. It is Dorothy? No, it doesn't. Yeah, I know. I think you're on here for the wrong day, Ms. Jackson, but we're gonna check, okay?
Okay.
And, Mr. D, what's going on?
You told me to give it a few. And you was gonna apply my bond to the clearance, which it never happened. And then I actually paid the clearance again to kind of like speed up the process. And I'm at the Secretary of State right now, and this is still in the system.
What's his name, Judge?
Oh, no. The clerk needs to know your name. Good morning, Justin.
Charles Jackson is my name.
Good morning. You're on the docket this morning. Are you having issues logging on?
Do you remember him?
From yesterday.
Do you remember his case number by chance? It's a million Charles. What's his name?
7/12/1976. D'Angelo is my middle name.
Okay, thank you, Charles.
Down. You have that number? I don't know if we're talking about that. Try that one. It's not the 360 number. No, it's a 929 number.